Welcome to Personal Finance Power, where we help you avoid the mistakes that keep people broke. Think you're on the right path to wealth? Maybe, but even smart people fall into these common money traps. In this video, we'll break down 10 financial pitfalls that can quietly sabotage your wealth-building journey. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on money-saving wisdom. 1. Living beyond your means. One of the most common traps is living beyond your means. It's easy to get caught up in the lifestyle inflation trap, especially as you earn more. You may be tempted to upgrade your car, home, or spending habits as your income grows. However, this mindset prevents you from saving and investing. True wealth comes from living below your means and building assets, not from showing off liabilities. 2. Accumulating high-interest debt. Credit card debt, payday loans, and personal loans with high interest are wealth killers. The interest on these debts compounds quickly, trapping you in a cycle of paying just the minimum and never making progress. Avoid unnecessary debt, especially high-interest debt. Pay off high-interest debts as soon as possible and build an emergency fund to prevent reliance on credit. 3. Not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and not realize where your money is going. A lack of budgeting leads to impulse purchases and poor financial planning. Having a budget forces you to make conscious decisions about where your money goes. Whether it's through the 50-30-20 rule or another method, creating a plan ensures that you save, invest, and spend wisely. 4. Relying on one income stream. Depending on a single source of income is risky, especially in an unpredictable world. Job loss, layoffs, and health issues can suddenly cut off your earnings. Relying solely on your salary can limit your wealth-building potential. Instead, look for side hustles or other income streams like investing, freelancing, or passive income opportunities. 5. Not investing early enough. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Many people wait until later in life to start investing, which means they miss out on the power of time. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or retirement accounts, starting in your 20s and 30s can create significant wealth by the time you're in your 50s and 60s. 6. Focusing on short-term gratification. Instant gratification is one of the biggest financial traps. It's easy to overspend on things like vacations, gadgets, or expensive clothes that offer short-term pleasure but don't add value to your life in the long run. Avoid the temptation to spend money on things that don't align with your long-term goals. Build wealth by prioritizing long-term investments and savings over immediate rewards. 7. Not having an emergency fund. An emergency fund is essential to protect your wealth from unexpected financial setbacks. Without one, you may be forced to use credit cards or loans to cover emergencies, which sets you back financially. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This fund should be your first financial priority after paying off high-interest debt. 8. Impulse buying and emotional spending. Emotional spending can quickly erode your finances. Stress, boredom, or even social media can trigger impulsive purchases that you later regret. It's crucial to differentiate between needs and wants. Before making a purchase, ask yourself whether it's essential or if it will add long-term value. Implement a 24-hour rule. Wait a day before buying non-essential items. 9. Falling for get-rich-quick schemes. There's no shortcut to wealth. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Get-rich-quick schemes, like high-risk gambling, dubious investment opportunities, or pyramid schemes, promise massive returns with little effort. While the idea of easy wealth is tempting, these schemes almost always end in loss. 10. Not planning for retirement. Many young people make the mistake of thinking retirement is far away, but the sooner you start planning, the better. If you don't save for retirement early, you'll need to put away much larger sums later to catch up. Contributing to retirement accounts like 401ks or individual retirement accounts not only prepares you for your future but also provides tax benefits. The earlier you start, the more you'll accumulate due to compound interest. Retirement may seem far off, but the earlier you start planning, the easier it will be to retire comfortably. Wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's also about what you avoid. Which trap surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you dodge a financial mistake, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest, practical tips on growing your money, protecting your future, and living financially free. Stay smart, stay focused.